Happymailqueen. I have a haul from Frank Garcia's studio. I was able to finally get there today. A couple of weeks ago, there was a notification on my phone that Frank had gotten some new Mintay papers in, and I fell in love with one of the collections. And I've been wanting to go there and get it, but I hadn't had a chance. And I've seen a couple of people haul it also on YouTube, and so of course I was even more excited to get it. And I finally ordered it online so I can get a 10% discount. And then I went today to pick it up because it was ready. So let me go ahead and share with you this beautiful paper. It's by Mintay. It's Mintay by Karola. I'm sorry, Karola is the, I believe, the designer, and it is papers from Poland, and so it really reminds me of Tilda. If you guys are not familiar, there is beautiful papers also from, it's called Tilda by Tone Finanger, I'm sorry, and that paper line, though, however, is from Norway, but this one's from Poland. And let me go ahead and share with you the 12 by 12 paper set. You get 6 designs, actually a total of 12 because they're double-sided. So you get 2 of each, and then you get some cut-aparts, which is on the cover. This is the cover, and you have to fussy cut them yourselves, but aren't they just amazing? I mean, look at that nutcracker and all these sweets, the vintage Santa. I love it, everything about this collection. So of course I had to have it, and the color palette is just beautiful because I love the pink and mint together. And then you have the traditional green and red. So it's a beautiful, beautiful collection. So if you guys haven't checked it out, you can go to frankgarciastudio.com and you can take a look. And there's several different collections from this same designer. So anyway, of course, this is their Christmas line, and it's called The Sweetest Christmas, if I haven't said that already. So as you can see here, you have this beautiful Christmas tree, some beautiful lights, and this cluster of poinsettia and peppermint, and you know, these sweets, gingerbread cookies, and you have all of this excuse me, fun elements of Christmas on this looks like a sideboard, and isn't that pretty? And then on the reverse side you have this pretty pink with snowflakes on it and snow. This one here, which is so pretty. It looks like it's possibly in a dining room because you have the beautiful swag and the curtains, and cluster again with Santa in the middle. It's gorgeous, you guys. So pretty. And you can see again the nutcracker. I love nutcrackers. Love. And of course all the sweets. And look how cute that is. That is such a cute display right there. There's the reverse, and it's red with Merry Christmas and Happy New Year words on their sentiment. So it's so gorgeous. And excuse my husband, he is, if you hear him, he is playing a video game. And then you have this beautiful cluster again here with lights, really pretty, and I just love it. It's like I wish my kitchen looked like that. It's very shabby, you guys. As you can see, it has the wood panels. It has this shabby yet vintage feel to it. And then you have the same pattern as the pink one, except this one is in mint. You got the snowflakes and the snow. Gingerbread. Isn't this beautiful, you guys? There's gingerbread houses and gingerbread cookies shaped like snowflakes and or stars. It really is very sweet, and I love this one right here. If you wanted to create a what do you call it? A calendar. And then you have this one right here, which is gorgeous. And again, you have the poinsettia and the holly berries and the peppermint. It's so beautiful. I just want to fussy cut all those little clusters, which will take a while. And that's the only thing. You do have to fussy cut quite a bit if you want some ephemera pieces, because they're not cut out for you. So look at that pink tile. So here is some cut aparts, 3 by 4 inch cards, and it is gorgeous. I should have cut this apart. I could have showed it to you a little better. I meant to do that, but I forgot. And look at the back, you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my goodness. It is gorgeous, and I'm so glad that you get 2 of each, because I want to, you know, each side is beautiful. They're all, you know, this one is going to be difficult to use because it has this on the other side. So, but look, it's a bunch of different frames, vintage frames, and you can just cut this apart and decorate them. Isn't that fun? You can even make a shaker out of them. I did also pick up the small 6 by 6 paper pad. One of the reasons is I can use this to make tags, and you get a lot on this one. You also get that bonus sheet from the cover, and you'll have to fussy cut again, but of course this is the same paper, it's just smaller scaled, and you get 4 of each, I want to say. So let's see, you get, oh, so you get 2 cut apart, 2 of these because of yeah, that's amazing. Okay, so here you go. There's 1 set. That's 2 sets. 3 and 4. So isn't that amazing? It's so pretty. I love it, you guys. Absolutely love, love, love. So I'm so happy that I finally got to pick this up. I was super excited today when my husband said, yeah, why don't you go pick up the kids and you can stop by and pick up your order. I also got this pretty flower. This was regular price, but it's so beautiful. And I thought the colors would go well with my Pinkaboo, so that's why I got it. I figured maybe I can, if I make like a mini album or something, I can use these as for the front of the cover. So they're just gorgeous with the little berries here, and I just love the whole pastel color palette. So there's that one. And then you guys, I was going to pick up something else, and then I had to return it because when I saw this, I thought, oh, it's so pretty. I have to get it. Here's the next one. This one is called Cozy Evening. And this is more of fall, autumn theme to it. As you can see there, you have leaves and the gazelle and this cute little dog. And then you also have the bonus sheet on the back of the cover that you can fussy cut, and you have pumpkins and some vintage elements, like look at that camera and look at that lantern. Just gorgeous acorns, that gazelle again, so beautiful, and also the little puppies, they're so cute. And the little critter right there, it's just beautiful and I love it. And look at that drink. So had to get this one also, you guys. And you have this pretty background here in this kind of a mocha with chestnut color, and I love this little swag there. I don't know what do you call that, but that's kind of cool. Really neat. And look at that light bulb, so vintage. And then here on this side you have this beautiful floral arrangement, and with this a chair and this dog. And look at this, you guys. I love this. It's like a vintage furnace, I think. Is it a furnace? No, maybe not. I'm not sure, but it looks so cool. Love it. And then on the back you have this right here. Very grunge, right? I love it. And then here you have this beautiful wow, it looks like a doorway of or a garage. Actually, kind of reminds me of a garage. But wouldn't that's like the prettiest garage if I ever saw one. Maybe not. Maybe it's not a garage. Anyway, it looks beautiful, doesn't it? I love the panel, the wooden panels, and just everything's just so beautiful. And look at that wood grain. Very shabby. I love it. And then here you have a bird perched there, and also a squirrel with his little nut or whatever he's eating. Some more birds, and there's that pretty gazelle again, and that vintage camera. And look at the pumpkins, you guys. Gorgeous pumpkin. And then that's the back. Very grungy, very distressed. And this is gorgeous, aren't these? Gorgeous. Look at this beautiful mint background with these beautiful florals. And then you have that right there. And then the beautiful fall leaves. Love it. And then look at the cut aparts. So the same elements again that just kind of repeat, but these are a little bit bigger. So for my fall paper, I was actually going to get one from Michael's. They had one, but you know, their hot buys is just not hot buy prices right now. So I thought, well, this one is more unique and prettier, and I thought, well, I'm just gonna get this one. So I won't be getting the one from Michael's unless they go on clearance or something, because I was gonna pick up my fall paper over there, but I decided no, had to have this one. It's just too pretty. Okay, so I think that's it, you guys. It repeats, and that is Mintay Cozy Evening from Karola. And I hope you guys like that. I certainly do. It's so beautiful, and I can't wait to cut into this, you guys. It's going to be really hard because It's just so beautiful, and I think I'm going to have to do some 12 by 12 layouts because some of these papers are going to be kind of difficult to cut, you know, because it's such a large scale. And but anyway, I hope you guys like that, and check out Frank Garcia's studio. If you can't get to the studio, you can check out online. They have these online. Right now, he does have a sale, and I think it's 15% off for purchases $50 and over. Otherwise, you can use the 10% coupon. You can check out Anna, who is Serenity Creations. She has a coupon code there. I think it's Anna10, but I'm not exactly sure. So check out her channel. Anyway, and then you can get 10% off. So, and that's for online purchases, you guys, okay? The 15% off, though, is in-store and I believe also online. So I hope you guys have a wonderful long weekend, and take care, guys. Bye.